So, hello everyone. Today we are solving this question common in three sorted arrays. So, here in this question we are given a sorted array and we have to find a common element in all three arrays, array A, array B, and array C. Okay, for example, we have common element here 20, we have common element here 20, and we have common element here 20. Same with 80 as well. Okay, and we have to return this as an output. So now first gonna be our brute force approach. We will create an I, J and K index. We will iterate through each and every one. If we find both common values here, then we will compare here as well. So basically in brute force approach, it will take around n cube time complexity. And we have to optimize this solution, or we have to optimize our solution. So let's see what we can do. Instead of using IJK, we will use three pointer approach. Three pointer approach. So let's say I have one pointer here, one pointer here, and one pointer here. We already know that our array is sorted, so we don't have to like compare the values properly. We know the array is sorted first. Okay, so let's say we have this array of A, and this is array of B, and this is array of C. Now let's say we'll compare both. Is A smaller than B? So yes, A is smaller than B. We'll move forward. Is A smaller than B? Yes, it is more smaller. We'll move forward. Is A smaller than B? No, it is not smaller than B. Then we'll compare B with C. So is B smaller than C? So yes, C is smaller. So no, it is not. Then what left is C is smaller than. So we'll move forward with 4. Again, which one is smaller? 6. A is smaller than B? No, it is not. So here again we compare with B and C, which one is smaller. So what we are doing here is that we are moving pointer whichever the value is smaller. Okay, so let's do it again. So let's say which one is the smallest value here. It is 1. It is 1. So let's move the pointer of 1. Now whichever the smallest value here, 5, 7, 4, it is 4. It is 3. So let's move pointer here. Now which one is smaller? 6, 5, 4. Again 4 is smaller. Let's move pointer. Which one is smaller? It is 6 is smaller. Let's move pointer 7. Now which one is smaller? 7 or 5 or 15? Which is 5 is smaller. Let's move pointer. Which one is smaller? It is 10. 7 is smaller. So we'll move here. Okay. Now which one is smaller? 20, 10 or 15? 10 is smaller. We'll move here. Now which one is smaller? 20, 20, and then this 15 is smaller. Let's move it here. So now we have the equal value. A is equals to B equals to C. So we'll move this value into our array. Result 20. Now we will move all the pointers together, move forward. So 40, 80 here and 30 here. Okay. Now again with same logic, which one is smaller? 40, 80, 30. 30 is smaller. Let's move pointer here. Now again which one is smaller? 80, 40 and 70. 40 is smaller. Let's again move pointer here and 40 in array A. Now which one is smaller? It is 70. Let's move pointer. Again we find a common value here. 80, 80 and 80. Put the value here. Now let's move pointer all together. Now we find a null here, and here we have to stop our loop. So this is our resultant value which we have to return. Okay, so let's see the code here. Let's see the code here now. So as you can see here, let's remove and write it again. So Let's declare I, j and k. All are initialized with 0. Now n, m and o, which is store length of a, len of b and len of c. Let's store result here in empty array. Then let's compare the value. We have to run our loop till I is smaller than n and j is smaller than m and k is smaller than 0. Sorry, k is smaller than o. Now here we'll check if a of I equals to b of a equals to our c of o, sorry, c of k. Then we'll push our result dot append a of I. But we also have to keep the check on duplicates as well. So we'll write if not result. If result we don't have any value in result, then push it else. Or result, the last index of result is not equals to a of I, then we will push it result dot append. This check is for duplicate. Now again, next move, now we will move all the pointers simultaneously. Now our check is on elif. If a of I is smaller than b of j, then move I plus 1. Now if b of j is smaller than c of k, then move j. Now if all these conditions not met, which means the c value is smaller, so we'll simply write k of plus 1. Okay, after all this we will write return our result. Now let's run this. Okay. So all the test cases passed and completely passed. Now let's submit this. And as you can see here, it is successfully submitted. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.